Hello friends, I am Shailesh Shaiwale from Jawahar College, Andur. I welcome you all to this video PPT presentation. With the help of this video PPT, I will give you a brief introduction about my college library. Now we will see slide by slide in what are our features of libraries. So first of all, we will see the composition of Library Advisory Committee. This is our Library Advisory Committee. In this committee, principal is the chairman and librarian as a secretary. Beside these two, some other members are also working in this advisory committee as representatives of their discipline, that is from science, arts and commerce. Now we will see the profile of librarian. The librarian of the college, myself, Shaiwale SP. I am a selection grade librarian. My qualifications are MPhil with NetSet. I am having 10 years of experience. I have completed one orientation course, 2 refresher course along with soul training program. Beside this, I have attended various conferences, seminars and FDPs. Next, this slide contains information about library support staff. In our library, only one person is working as a support staff, that is Srimati Shubhangi Narayan. It means only 2 persons are working in the library. Now we'll see next slide. It is about library timings and some general library rules. I think there is nothing to explain in this slide, so I skip it and go to next slide. See now the library collection. We will see the library collection. There are total 10,874 books, in which 7,853 are textbooks and 3,011 books are reference. Beside these two, some competitive exam books, general reading books, online e-books, journals, all type of statistical data are here. Now we will see the services provided by this library. So first of all, circulation service, then the newspaper clipping service, information display and notification service, photocopying, printing, user orientation service, internet digital resource availability, then library webopack, bibliographic compilation. Beside these services, we are following some best practices from our college library. That is, we have computerized our library automation with the help of SOL software developed by InflibNet Center, Ahmedabad. Webopack is the specific and best service provided by InflibNet Center. With the help of Webopack, users are able to search their required information with title, author, publisher or any random field. Beside these best practices, some other best practices are also mentioned in this page. Now we we'll go to the next slide. Academic calendar. This is our academic calendar. Well before starting of academic year, we prepared academic calendar for the particular year. See, these are our various activities planned well before starting the year. Now we will go to next slide. Here are some strengths of our library. These are the library committee is our best strength because of library committee, advisory committee, the progress, all the direction of library decision making is possible only due to library committee. Then some good collection, a library display board, library automation, webopack, institutional repository, syllabus bank, question paper bank, internet based services, newspaper clipping, library feedback and implementation. These are our strengths. Then what are our weaknesses? So with separate library building, we don't have a separate library building. And the next one is library support staff. We are lacking behind the library support staff. Only one person is working as a librarian and one as a library attendant. So there is a need to be fulfill the staff for library betterment. Library furniture is also one of our weakness because we don't have separate library building. So we as we don't have that much furniture also. Then what are the opportunities? Now learning is a lifelong process, so libraries are supporting for lifelong learning. Then digital literacy, it is one of the opportunity to provide services without geographical boundaries. Then growth in open access and open data, this is also one opportunity. And what are the challenges? We are experiencing financial difficulties, then insufficient library support staff, then dedicated separate computer lab for library. We need the dedicated separate computer lab for library. It is a challenge for us to provide the digital services. We need this dedicated computer lab. To develop digital library with DSpace, it is another challenge. That DSpace is a digital library building software. It helps to reach geographical boundaries without considering the geographical boundaries. And in the end, now we will see the future plan. What is our future plan? This is our future plan, that we have a separate library building to develop digital library institutional repository with DSpace software, then to start a remote access service from home in your city, to subscribe enlist digital consortium for e-journals, then to start best user award for library, to develop separate library website and web opaque access over internet. This is our future plans. So with this I thanks to everyone listen this video PPT. Thank you very much.